How to see call history on iPhone after deleted. In this video, we are going to show you how you can find the solution of it. But first, tap on Safari and log in into iCloud.com by searching it on your search bar. Once you do that, it will now ask you to sign in by using your password or Face ID. Now as you see this, tap on the box which is on the top right corner of your screen. As you do this, this will take you to a new page where you have to tap on the data recovery. Once you tap on the data recovery, it will take you to the data recovery main page. Now scroll down until you find the option called Restore Contacts. Once you tap on it, everything that was deleted will appear on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.